Hi guys, and welcome to another Divi theme e-commerce site build. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. In our last build, in our last video I should say, we did a bit of customization on our price tags here. Let's go ahead and start building some more of this site now. I'm pretty much going to scrap everything below this blue line here anyway, because I just put that in to demonstrate the shop module. So let's start. Let's add a little parallax section. I'm going to do a regular section. I'm going to have it. And I want to put in a countdown timer. There it is, right there. And let's have a look, see. We'll count down to random date, 28th of June, 10:42 is absolutely fine. Now design wise, I don't want a background. Even under content here, background, there we are. I don't want a background, so that's going to disappear there. Just save that for a moment. I'll come back and edit it in a minute. Now let's edit this module and give it a background image and make it parallax. On image. I'm going to drag in an image that I want to use here. And I've made it quite long actually. It could be wider, but I've made it 1578 by 1502. It's almost square. But because we're going to have it as parallax, it wants to be fairly long so you can scroll up and down with it. Okay, I want it full size. There we are, we've put that in the background there. I might want to make that a little bit darker. Now I want to use parallax. Now, with true parallax there, you see it's just moving slightly. That's true parallax. It's actually moving, but moving at a different rate to everything else. But I'm going to make it CSS, which is a little more dramatic, which actually makes that image stationary and everything. Whoops, I turned it off. I'll make it CSS parallax, which makes it stationary and everything else moves around it. You see, like that, which is a little more dramatic. The other one's very clever, but that's the effect I wanted this time. So when you're rolling down, it sort of reveals that young lady there. So that's good. I'm pretty happy with that. So let's leave that there. And now let's edit this module. And this will say huge fashion sale. I think I want to make that text a little bit bigger. Make it an H2. I might want to use that Volcorn again. Let's try it and see. It's the one I've been using before, and it's sort of similar to there. Make it metallic. I want to make it a lot bigger though. I think the size of the color's okay. That's fine. We might try a little shadow. Yeah, that makes it stand out a lot better. It's not too bad. That's fine. I really ought to use exactly the same ones as I've used before, but I can't remember what they were. I don't want to change anything else there, that's okay. Now our numbers text, we want to do a similar thing. I'm not going to change the style of them though. Do want to make them a bit bigger. That's better. Text color's fine as it is. And again, we'll use that shadow. We used this one just now. That makes it stand out a little bit better there. Label text. I don't know if it's going to work with a shadow for that. Guess we can bring, I want to make that slightly bigger. I'll leave it as the default font. So make it 16. Don't like to use shadow on smaller things like that, but let's see. Actually, that's not too bad, is it? Does just bring it out a little bit more. That's fine. And how about we just add a little button underneath it. What shall I say? I'll say, oh, don't miss out. And as you can see, it's come out with that default color for our button there, which is fine. I need to change that text so it's white though. Let's go into our design. Just want to change that to light. It's fine. And alignment wise, we want it to be central. I want it to be central. There we go. And I'll have that hooking up to a contact page or a sales page of some sort. Let's just save that. So there we go. We've got a nice little parallax section going on there quickly. So I'm happy with that. Save our changes and exit. There we are. There's our little parallax section with our countdown timer. So I hope you found that useful. If you have, please like and subscribe to the video. If you're interested in web design, take one of our courses below. There's some huge discounts for our YouTube subscribers. There's also some great free courses down there, so take a look. Once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.